Welcome! In this video, we're going to talk about getting signed up to create your profile in On-Demand Ergo. So you're going to click right here, Get Listed, and there's a couple other places you can click as well. Now you have two choices. You have our complete business plan or our free plan. You can always upgrade at any time from the free to the complete business plan. The business plan is going to give you everything that we have in our directory. You can list your phone number, get reviews, share your reviews. You'll be given a 15-minute interview that we'll put in our channel as well as on your profile here, just to make you stand out even more compared to everyone else. You'll get a direct website link, which will grow your brand and your website, as well as make it easier for people to contact you, and so much more. You can do blog posts in our directory to grow your business as well, and you'll get priority ranking, which is the most important. Now, if you're not ready yet, you can, of course, sign up for our free plan right here. And if you have any questions, you can go to ondemandergo@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to answer. So let's just choose this. We're going to hit Select Plan. And right here, you're going to simply make your email. Confirm your email. We're going to make a password. There we go. You just must click these. Click that you're not a robot, and then create your profile. It's as easy as that to sign up, and now what you'll do is take a couple minutes to create your profile and add information into your profile. There we go, perfect. So let's click continue here. Awesome. So the first thing that you'll see is you need to go to your email and verify the link. So we will do that. But we'll also right here, just go ahead and fill out all this different information here. So we will put in my info here, put in my company, put in my email address. You can type in your location here. Well, looks like Map's not pulling it up that great, but we've got it right down here. And your website, of course, can be here. And any sort of Facebook, any sort of social media that you have. There we go. And we'll hit save. Easy peasy. So everything really is setting up very easy, and it's very simple to do. And you want to try to have it be as complete as possible. Perfect. So now we've got that info. Now the next thing, you can see the list here. So we did our basic information. Now we're doing our profile. We'll also want to go to additional details and about me. So we could upload a photo here. And there we go. Perfect. So there's my profile picture there. Now we'll upload a logo. And let's just have it be this. There we go. So see, easy peasy. We got our logo, we got our profile photo in there, looking awesome. You can do a cover photo here too if you wanted to, but we're just going to click next. But I do suggest you take your time to add as much as possible. So I'm not going to add all of this information, but you can see here you can share just lots of different information here, and that's additional details. And then there's the About Me section as well. You can share lots of information. And then also, one thing I didn't highlight here is in additional details is their different categories. So right here, it's easy to miss, but you want to check off if you're an industrial, office, and remote, or just one or two of the above, and make sure to always hit save. And that's it for creating your profile. Don't forget to go to your email and verify your email as well, and then we can check it out. Oop, haven't verified it yet, so it's not going to be public. But as you can see, it's very simple, quick, and easy. If you have any questions, email us at ondemandерgo.com, and we hope to see you in our business listing.